So the name of the course is Design, Innovation and Making, and we were a group of 6 people who had to work on this project. The name of the project was Evacuation Warren Truss Bridge. It is called Warren Truss Bridge because the design of the truss bridge is called Warren, and it is a complete practical based course that we had to do.
Phase started by hand-drawn sketches, then we went through several iterations of it, and finally we came up with the proper blueprint of the design through CAD tools like SolidWorks. To validate our design, we then moved to building a prototype of the design by using ice cream sticks. During fabrication phase, the main part was sourcing of materials. We have used various materials like aluminum rods, fiberglass rods, 3D printing. We are also doing 3D printing, so we had to acquire 3D printing filaments, MDF boards and etc. When we were all ready with the materials, then we went on the assembly stage.
The idea of the bridge was to reduce the bridge building time. Aim to achieve this without tweaking too much in the already available prefabricated bridges, and we designed our bridge to do so by tweaking the connectors such that they don't take a lot of time to be welded and screwed together tightly. Instead, we used sprung pins, which will be easier and convenient. Also, we used composite based technology to make a base which can float in slushy areas and provide a construction base which will also reduce the time and effort of the rangers on site. With this, we can develop temporary structures much more easily.
So this bridge has many real-world applications. For example, can be used for disaster management or for military use or for temporary construction access.
So people and the local communities are very much getting help from the bridge, and they can go from one side to another with the help of this bridge.
So during this entire process of completing our project, we had several learnings and skill sets. So one of them included having a complete research analysis as well as siding it with certain kinds of decisiveness practices. Like we had a lot of options to choose from, so we had to choose the most optimized one. Then task allocation was one of the crucial tasks which depended on how people use their skills efficiently to achieve one particular goal. We had several students from different backgrounds, so that helped us achieve one of those milestones, and we could communicate and as well as discuss out several different possibilities and go for the best shot.